It's well, let me pick the mic up and kick some flavor in your ear. I promise every word I'm about to say is too sincere. I'm in the presence of some black queens up in here. I love the way you smile, shining like a chandelier. No competition near, you don't know no fear. You fight through every single battle, you don't shed no tear. I hold you oh so dear, every year's your year. Confidence is booming when you kick it into gear. Shine, baby, shine, let your melanin pop. Show them haters while they'll never see a melanin flop. White folks trying hard to make your melanin drop, cause they can't go out and buy it at a melanin shop. We let them dark skin, light skin, brown skin, caramel, every shape and size with that swagger that you carry round. Silvery's alive cause I'm bringing it back. Man, you must be feeling blessed to wake up pretty and black, because black is beautiful.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Alexandria Says. I'm Alexandria, if you didn't know, if you're new here, whatever. I'm so happy to be back and doing another makeup tutorial. This is my dewy foundation routine for that nice glowy moisturized look when you have makeup on. I'm just really excited. So if you haven't already, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a like, leave me some comments, turn your post notifications on so you're one of the first people to hear when I post a new video, okay? So to start off, one of the keys to having great makeup and a great makeup look is having like great skin. So I'm just gonna talk for a second on how I get a well moisturized dewy look with no foundation on, okay? I posted my new skincare routine using the Tarte Cosmetics Rainforest of the Sea line. I posted that a little while ago, so go check that out and I'll leave the link down below. But one of the things that I also like to do is I also like to do overnight mask. So overnight mask is kind of like a balm of like moisture for your face, and it's kind of like what you do when you deep condition your hair. It just helps rejuvenate and revitalize your skin. One of the ones that I use is the Honeydew Chamomile overnight mask, and this is from, who does these masks? I'm gonna have to leave the link to who does these masks down below. I got it from CVS, but there's a name for these and it's not on here for some reason. I totally forget who does these masks, but I've shown you guys I used the honey one before for my face. This one, it's an overnight mask and it's really cool. So you open it up, it smells exactly like honeydew, and let's see if you can see that, the consistency is kind of like a lotion, okay? And so when it dries kind of like a cream, you see, kind of like a moisturizer, but you rinse it off in the morning so you can sleep with it on. It doesn't stain your pillow, it doesn't do anything like that, and just see. And then in the morning you just rinse it off and your face is like really moisturized. So now in the morning, like after I rinse off the mask, it's still really important to add a little bit of moisture to my skin. Even in the summertime, your face can get really dry from a lot of sun exposure and stuff like that. So one of my favorite moisturizers is the Jergens Oil Infused Moisturizer. This is the argan oil one. I love this stuff. And I also like to use shea butter. Sometimes I use shea butter by itself if I don't think that I need it. I use this in my hair, yes, and I also use this on my body. So this is the African shea butter. It's pure African shea butter. It lists all the benefits on the cap, so that's when you know 100% natural. And if you don't know what it looks like, this is raw, so it's not whipped, so you have to really like massage it into your hands to warm it up, and then it kind of melts, kind of like coconut oil, like this, and you just kind of rub it in like that. It really just like dissolves into your skin and gives you a moisturized and glowy look, and you need that if you want like a glowy makeup look. All right, now getting into the makeup routine, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with my Mermaid Skin Serum, and then I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. primer. This is the illuminating face primer, so it has like a glowy, sparkly consistency or color, whatever, I don't know. Now for foundation, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 340. Stuff is very good for being very inexpensive. This also leaves me with like a moisturized look. now I just want to brighten a little bit the area like under my eyes, and you know, I'm just gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna be using my NYX palette again, and I'm just gonna be taking this color and mix it with a little bit of this color. Ooh, too much. Just to give like a little under eye highlight. Not much. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Now just to add a little bit of like color into my face, I'm gonna use some blush, and I'm using the e.l.f. blush palette. I don't know if they still sell these. I got this so long ago, but yeah, I hope so. I'm just gonna go ahead and in with a little bit of the darkest red. Just a little bit, don't need a lot. Okay. This gives me like that fresh faced, just drink a whole bunch of water, I'm awake now look. Okay, this part is one of like the most important parts of like the dewy look. It's the highlight. So I'm going in with my Ulta Just Face It 20-piece face and eye palette, and I'm gonna be using the lightest of the highlighters. Now you gotta be very careful because this stuff, ooh, this stuff is strong. Like this, that's not even the right word. It's very pigmented, okay? That's why I normally use the darkest color, but when I want the dewy look, I go ahead and a little bit with the lightest one. So I'm taking my highlighter brush. Ooh, see, look at that. Already too much. I didn't even mean to do that. And I'm just gonna be getting this spot right here. That way, like when the sun hits it, it's like, oh shoot. But I'm not gonna be doing like the whole part right there. I'm just gonna be doing this. So now for my eyes, I'm going in with my e.l.f. palette, and I'm only doing like a soft brown look. So for my crease, I'm gonna go ahead and with this color and a little bit of this color. For mascara, I'm going to be using two mascaras. So the first one is the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express, and the other one is my Wet n Wild Mega Length, okay? One of the tricks that I use to make my eyes like really pop, I know a lot of us put mascara on our bottom lash. I do it still, but I'm very, very light with it. I don't put a lot. I don't like super dark bottom lashes. I feel like it makes your eyes look like this, and I feel like I kind of already have small eyes, so I want to make them look bigger. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set. Y'all already know what you know what setting spray I'm using. I'm using my Wet n Wild Natural Finish, okay, because this is just the best setting spray for me. Like Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is my glowy, dewy foundation routine. I think it looks really nice. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and again, make sure you subscribe and turn on those post notifications for more great videos, because I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. Okay, I'm coming. Yes. Yeah, it's been a while since I've done like any like vlogging or anything like that. If you guys are interested in seeing me vlog, let me know in the comment section or leave me some DMs or anything like that, whatever, and just let me know. I leave all my social media down below, so go ahead and check out my Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, and my Snapchat. Have all of that in the description box. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video.